Here is how to thread the Singer high post. Place your thread on the thread holder and pull it up through the loop. Then push it in from the back and through the side, right to left. Continue left and push the thread through the loop and around. Then through the plate, nice and tight, around and up and over the bar. Then down and around the tension wheel and pull up on the loop until you hear a click. Then loop it up through the neck and back down towards the needle. It should look like this. Lift up the pressure foot and pull the thread around the back loop at the top of the needle. There's a groove on the left side of the needle and a little notch on the right side, so you always thread the needle left to right. This machine does not have a bobbin case. This itself is a bobbin case. You can put your bobbin in either way, clockwise or counterclockwise. Hold your bobbin down and slide the thread through this little slit and under this triangular piece. Pull it towards the back and you'll feel some tension. If you don't follow this movement and hold the bobbin down, it will be too loose and the tension will be off. Pull the wheel towards you while holding the top thread to lift the bottom thread up through the hole. Slide the cover in and push back the pressure foot. Then you're ready to start stitching.